how well do you really understand time and space? From time slowing near black holes to the moon drifting away from Earth, these 15 shocking truths challenge everything you thought you knew about the universe. Some of the stars you see in the night sky may no longer exist. Their light takes millions or even billions of years to reach Earth. So when you look up, you might be witnessing the ancient past, seeing stars that have already exploded into supernovae or faded into black holes. You're literally made of stardust. The carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen in your body were forged inside ancient stars that exploded in supernova. These elements spread through space and eventually became part of new planets and people. Time moves slower near massive objects like black holes. This is due to a phenomenon called gravitational time dilation, predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. Near a black hole, time can slow down so dramatically that 1 minute for you could equal years for someone far away. This effect has been confirmed by observing how light behaves near massive celestial bodies. Space is not completely empty. Even in the darkest voids, tiny quantum particles constantly appear and disappear. This is known as quantum vacuum fluctuation. Scientists believe that this restless energy may have influenced the early universe's structure and could even be the reason for dark energy's mysterious force. The universe is expanding faster than the speed of light. Not individual objects, but space itself. This doesn't break physics because nothing is traveling through space faster than light. It's space itself stretching. Galaxies are being pulled apart so rapidly that some are moving out of our observable universe forever. If you could travel near the speed of light, time would pass more slowly for you compared to others. This isn't just science fiction, it's called time dilation. And astronauts aboard the International Space Station actually experience this on a tiny scale. The faster you go, the slower your clock ticks compared to someone standing still. Your GPS wouldn't work without Einstein's relativity. GPS satellites orbit Earth at high speed and far from its surface, which affects both time and gravity. Without adjusting for relativity, your GPS location could be off by several kilometers in just a single day. A day on Venus is longer than its entire year. Venus rotates so slowly on its axis that it takes 243 Earth days to complete one spin. Meanwhile, it orbits the Sun in just 225 Earth days. This strange fact makes Venus the only planet where a single day lasts longer than its year. The Moon is drifting away from Earth at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year. This slow separation affects the Earth's tides and is gradually lengthening our days. In hundreds of millions of years, the Moon will appear much smaller in the sky, and total solar eclipses will no longer be possible. You are spinning at 1,600 kilometers per hour due to Earth's rotation, and you're also moving around the Sun at about 107,000 kilometers per hour. When you include the motion of the galaxy, you're hurtling through space at over 2 million kilometers per hour. Yet, we don't feel any of it. Black holes slowly evaporate over time through a process called Hawking radiation. This theoretical discovery by physicist Stephen Hawking revealed that black holes can emit tiny amounts of thermal radiation and eventually vanish completely. It changed our understanding of how black holes interact with the universe. Neutrinos from the Sun pass through your body every second. Trillions of them. These subatomic particles are so small and elusive that they rarely interact with matter. Most will pass through Earth entirely without hitting a single atom. They are key to understanding nuclear reactions in stars. Light from some stars takes billions of years to reach us. When we observe distant galaxies, we're actually seeing them as they were long ago. This means telescopes are like time machines, giving us a window into the early universe and its evolution. Time may not be constant. In fact, some physicists believe time might be an illusion or a human construct. At the quantum level, time behaves very differently and may not even exist in the way we perceive it. This challenges our understanding of reality itself. Still amazed? Then leave a comment or subscribe for even more mind-blowing facts.